Hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus rising till 10th of August, okay? And keep in mind these are general readings. This might or might not resonate with you. And yeah, the roles can be reversed anytime. And if you have a problem with my channel or me, please don't watch it. I'm really sorry for the negative comments. Wherever I'm getting the negative comments, I feel very sad about them. People are really jealous. I don't know, people are jealous or people just don't like me. I don't know, but negative comments make me really feel sad. I work a lot on the readings. I try my best to do the best. This is the best I can do, right? So let's start with your reading, Capricorn. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Capricorn. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, this card literally jumped out for you. King of Cups. Capricorn, I feel like right now your partner is deeply in love, feeling deep love or deep emotions of love, care, and responsibility. This is kind of not physical love. This is kind of soulful love that they are carrying right now, or that soulful energy that they are carrying right now. Okay. And they are feeling lots of emotions, lots of emotions. These are not overwhelmingly emotional emotions, but they are, mature emotions of love, care, and responsibility. Okay, yeah, beautiful emotions of love, beautiful. Cups, King of Cups is the highest, card related to emotions, related to love. Let's clarify the King of Cups. King of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Okay, so they tried their best to conceal their feelings, to hide their feelings, to not let you know that what they are feeling, because they were deeply hurt. They were emotionally off, emotionally creating some kind of wall around them. And after this wall fell down, after they realized that they have emotions for you, they again fell for you, again fell for you. So I feel like this person is falling in love with you all over again. This is the thing here. I'm very happy, saying this, because they are finally clear about their intentions. They are finally true to their own heart that yes, they love you. They have lots of loving feelings for you. They care for you, and that's why this person right now is totally in love. Totally in love. King of Cups. Nice. This is their current energy. They're telling it to you or not, I don't know. I will see that they are communicating with you or not, I will see that. But definitely this person is having lots of love feelings for you, and they are now realizing it that yes, they love you. Now finally they are realizing it. Yeah, but this is emotionally balanced energy. It's not kind of, just go towards them and have fun and have sex kind of energy. No, this is emotionally balanced energy. This is soulful love. What's your current energy? Is the King of Swords. King of Swords. See, you are also very clear and honest with yourself. Okay, although you know what you want from a person or from a relationship, but again you are concealing your feelings, hiding your feelings, not opening up to them, not truly telling them what exactly you are feeling. Okay, but you are true to yourself. You from inside you know what you want. Okay, and you are telling them that I want this kind of stuff from you, but you are acting defensive, cold and detached, acting like acting just opposite to what you are feeling right now. This is the situation here, Capricorn. So let's clarify the King of Swords in your current energy. Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Pentacles, and the Moon. Could be dealing with the Pisces here, or Taurus. So see, you are leaving everything on universe. You are feeling like, okay, whatever will happen. I will just go with the flow. I'm not going to force anybody. I'm not going to show any kind of desperate energy, because I'm not desperate at all, because I feel like whatever will happen should happen naturally. Okay, this is what you are right now experiencing. Okay, this is the Wheel of Fortune. You're hiding lots of feelings. You're just controlling your emotions, trying to control your emotions, trying to hide your emotions from everybody, and you are very fearful. There's an intuition, there's a blockage in your intuition. And if something is happening, if your intuition is telling you something, you're not able to hear that, listen to that, listen to your intuition, because there's a huge blockage. You are fearful, you're scared of this relationship now, you're scared of the emotions now, you're scared of love right now. Yeah, Capricorn. This is the thing. You are feeling like I have been hurt a lot in the past. I am already hurt. I don't want any kind of relationship in my life right now. This is what is happening with you guys. Let's see what this person feels for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Six of Cups. So I feel like you guys are connected on a past level. You guys know each other. Might be from very long time. I am not going to say past life connection and all because you can't you just justify that if you guys were connected in the past lives or not. But yes, there's a past connection. There's a history between you guys. It might also be possible that you know each other from a very long time. Might be very long time. Might be just from 3 4 months or something like that. But yes, there is sweet history. There's a beautiful history between you guys. Okay, and this person is right now feeling nostalgic, missing you deeply, nostalgic, missing you deeply, missing your touch, missing the intimacy that you guys had, missing the memories that you made together with each other, feeling missing. Yeah, so they are just missing the happy memories, the happy time that you guys had together. Let's clarify the Six of Cups in their feelings for you. Let's see. Okay, okay, this is the Seven of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles and the Temperance. So I feel like if you are going to talk to them, they are going to act defensive. Although they are acting defensive, very defensive. They are going to say to you, "Okay, I don't need you in my life. Okay, I'm okay. I'm just leaving. I'm just moving on. I'm just good without you as well." But slowly but surely, they are coming towards you. Slowly but surely. See, this person is planning to come back towards you. This person is feeling like this is not the right time, might be to connect with you or reconnect with you, but they are planning for the future to come towards you, trying to balance their emotions, balance their temper, balance their resentment. So this person is right now highly in love, and they are just trying to balance their emotions, just trying to figure out what they should do, what they could do in this situation. And because they're missing you so much, because they're this is new for them. This is new for them. They might have never experienced this kind of feelings. They might have never experienced this kind of attachment to somebody, and this that is why this person is just questioning their own emotions, questioning, right? Literally questioning their own emotions and just trying to balance their emotions, just trying to figure out what the actual heck is happening with them, okay? Yes, but they are feeling nostalgic, they are feeling very, very attached to you, loving and caring feelings for you. They are deeply in love with you. 24 into 7. They are thinking about you. Love, love, love. This is what they are carrying for you right now. Yeah. Okay. This is not kind of physical love. This is kind of love. Spiritual kind of love, caring kind of love, fatherly and motherly kind of love, emotional. Nice. Let's see what this person wants from you. Star could be dealing with Aquarius here. This person wants you to be hopeful and positive about the future. Don't be so negative about the future. Don't be so negative about this particular connection. Everything is going to be fine. And they just want you to realize that yes, everything is going to be fine. You just have to give a chance to this connection again. You both have to just work on the connection again, and everything is going to be fine. This is what they want from you, to be hopeful and to be positive about this connection. Yeah. Let's clarify the star. Let's clarify the star. Ten of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So they want you to be hopeful and positive about this connection because they feel like now the worst is over. The worst is over. The worst that could happen is over now. And you should just reconnect with them, and they're not going to betray you. They're not going to leave you this time. They're not just going to walk away this time. Okay. This is what they want from you. They want you to come out of this betrayal state of mind, to connect with them again. This is the Page of Pentacles. To connect with them again, to communicate with them, and just feel like nobody is going anywhere this time. They just want you to trust them and trust the universe that this relationship is meant to be, and nobody is going anywhere right now or in the future. And be positive and hopeful about the connection. Don't be so negative about this connection. This is what they want from you, to heal from a situation of the past and to reconnect with them and start this connection all over again and give this connection another chance. Yeah, this is what they want. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of August, Capricorn. Let's see. Let's see, sweetheart. Okay, so I can't believe this actually. I can't just believe it. Five of Wands is coming towards it till 10th of August. You guys are going to fight with each other. Fight with each other, literally without any reason. Without any reason, you guys are going to fight with each other like this is your fault, this was your fault, or this is your fault, and all that. I feel like you both are in love with each other, and that's why you guys are fighting with each other without any reason. This is just so cute. So cute it is. And this is a fight where nothing is coming out of this fight, okay? You guys can maturely talk to each other and you come to a solution, but instead you guys are going to fight with each other and then you will find a solution. This is the situation. Okay, seven of swords and the king of cups in reverse and the ace of pentacles. So I feel like finally the feelings will be revealed to each other. Finally this person is going to open up to you that they have lots of love for you. But in the start whenever they are going to talk to you, or whenever you guys are communicating with each other, in the start they are going to show you that they don't care about you, they don't love you, and they don't have that kind of feelings for you. But trust me, they have that kind of feelings for you. And this will be like a surprise for them as well, that their secret is finally coming out, that they have lots of love for you. And after this fight, after this proposal, you can say, after this, yeah, confession, there will be a brand new beginning in this connection. Yeah, this is the ace of pentacles again. From ace of cups to ace of pentacles, very very high chances of having a reconciliation, very very high chances of reconnecting with each other and starting this connection all over again. But you guys are going to fight with each other, cute fights, cat fights, without any reason. And after the fight, everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. So I don't feel like two mature people connecting with each other and talking to each other about their feelings. I feel like two immature and two puppies are, just fighting with each other, and both are in love and both are fighting because they don't know what to do about this love. Okay. This is happening. Yeah. So thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. God bless. Oh.